When we look at the sky, we feel that there are no boundaries or limitations. We can feel that there are no borders in space, time or gravity. When we look up, we feel like discovering and exploring the space. So today, I present you with 7 science-based facts on space that will change your thinking about space and our solar system. According to mathematics, white holes are possible. A white hole is a hypothetical region of space-time that can't be entered from the outside, although matter and light can escape from within. Basically, white hole is reverse of a black hole. Earth is the only planet not named after a god. Nobody knows how the Earth got its name. All we know is that most likely Earth was not recognized as a planet in the ancient past. The word planet means wanderer, and the name Earth comes from the German word Erde and the Old English derivative of Edda, earther. In both languages it means ground. Sun is actually white in color. Our sun is white, and it would look white if you looked at it from space. The sun looks yellow to us is because the Earth's atmosphere scatters higher wavelength colors, like red, orange, and yellow less easily. Hence, these wavelengths are what we see, which is why the sun appears yellow. Mars is known as Red Planet because of iron rust. Mars is known as the Red Planet because iron minerals in the Martian soil oxidize, or rust, causing the soil and atmosphere to look red. That's where Mars get its name, the Red Planet, because its soil is full of iron turned to rust. Cold welding effect. If two pieces of the same type of metal touch in space, they will bond and be permanently stuck together. This is known as cold welding. It happens because the atom of individual pieces of metal have no idea that they are different pieces of metal. The moon was once a piece of the Earth. The theory is that when Earth was a relatively young planet, it was struck by a giant object and this collision broke a piece of the Earth away to create the moon. This piece then began to orbit the Earth as a result of its gravitational pull. Sun does not burn like a paper. When we think of the sun, we imagine them to be burning like an object on fire. The sun does not burn like paper burning. The sun glows because it is a very big ball of gas, and a process called nuclear fusion is taking place in its core. Every second, the sun's fusion processes are converting about 700 million tons of hydrogen into 650 million tons of helium. In doing so, 0.7%, that is, 5 million tons of the hydrogen matter disappears as pure energy. This disappear energy is released as gamma rays which get converted into visible light that we observe. So, the sun emits light and heat, but it's not burning. Because to burn something you need oxygen, and in this process, there is no oxygen involved.